Well, today's product review is a little bit different. We're out testing the product and I've got Chad here from Chad's Off-Road. Chad, mate, you've just put a merge spring in the WR250. Tell me all about it.
Basically what the merge spring does is it replaces the standard straight rate spring with a progressively wound inner chamber spring that lives in the top section of the fork. Basically, in layman's terms, what it does is it gives you a nice supple ride on the small bumps, like the small square sharp edge, tree roots, rocks, stuff like that, but then firms up on the bigger movement stuff, so you still have something that's great on big G outs or landing off jumps, or stuff where your fork's using the full stroke. You're still nice and firm on that part of the stroke, but nice supple ride on the small bumps. I
noticed straight away, as you said, through especially the square edge rock bumps and the tree roots,
yes,
straight away it soaks up those a lot better. It's not as harsh.
Yes.
Now, can you put them in motocross bikes as well?
Basically, any bike with a Japanese twin chamber fork, i.e. with the WR250, YZ250s, any of the Japanese like the Showa or the Kayaba twin chamber fork takes the merge springs.
Price.
Basically, for $120, yeah, best dollar for dollar improvement you can make to a twin chamber fork. Especially if you're chasing a supple initial ride. You can get them in two rates. You can get them light to medium or medium to hard. Medium to hard if you're doing like heavy duty, like really big jump motocross tracks, or supercross, or the light to medium for most motocross and off-road applications.
Well done, Chad. I love this product, mate. It's worked really well today. It's been good fun. We're going to do some more stuff to it later on, but get yourself out and have a look at these merge springs. Hit up Chad at Chad's Off-Road. You'll look after them, won't you?
Yes, we will.
Discount from MXTV.